Manipur police arrested 4 persons on March 27 following seizure of huge cache of arms, ammunition and explosives in Bishnupur district. The 4 arrested persons have been identified as Salam Rameshwar Singh, Tongbram Gyanjit Singh, Pukrem Ingocha Singh and Thokchom Temba. Alongside the arrests, authorities seized a significant cache of items including 3 SLR rifles along with 4 empty magazines. Additionally, they confiscated 20 live rounds, 7 mobile phones, 1 Baofeng walkie-talkie set and 2 cars along with bags and various other items. The authorities have initiated a formal case to delve deeper into the matter, marking the commencement of further investigation by the Manipur police into the circumstances surrounding the arrests and the seized items. On the other hand, the Manipur police arrested 4 members of proscribed outfit KCP Noyon from Imphal West district yesterday. They were identified as Wahengbam Matoi Singh, 32 years, Soren Sangbam Bungcha Singh, alias Winner, 47 years, Tongam Joinanda Singh, alias Boja, 49 years, and AK Sanjoy, alias Herojit, 34 years. Further, the police team recovered 1 9mm pistol loaded with 10 live rounds in the magazine, 2 hand grenades, 3 7.62mm live ammunitions, 1 empty Insas rifle magazine, 1 car and 3 mobile phones from their possession. They were involved in extortion of money from general public. A case has been registered for investigation, a source from Manipur Police Control Room.